Hey, we are Chris and Teresa and are obsessed with all things fiber and guiding you on your fiber arts journey. We own a successful fiber processing mill, an online needle felting business, experienced at raising all fiber animals, and are renovating a 100-year-old school into a fiber arts retreat center.
Processing, needle felting, yarn, roving, fiber animals, and our renovating progress are all topics discussed here. Think of this as your one-stop shop for advice, information, tips, and getting your questions answered on all things fiber, from raising the animals to the finished product and everything in between. So pull up a seat, make sure you're cozy, and get ready to be inspired while you learn. This is EweTube.
Hi, we are today in the coffee shop.
Yep, in Nome.
Yep, because it was too noisy in the gym. We were going to be in the gym, but too noisy in the gym. So I'm going to show what we've been working on here. We've got a wonderful little, ta-da!
The Easter colors.
Little Easter colors, little spring colors in our little basket here. And this is going to be the prize at the end of the EweTube, is the basket with the roving in it. And then this is what you'll be purchasing. If you want to purchase it, it'll look like this. So
the spring sampler.
The spring sampler. And we'd like to apologize. Some of you, we had a little error in our
where we weren't getting the customer service emails.
Yeah. So
they just weren't
coming. A couple of you that answered that did what you were supposed to do. We didn't get it, so
that were winners.
Yeah. So we are catching up, and you will be getting your prize. And please accept our apologies. That was not good. Not good at all.
Lots of questions to catch up on there.
Mm-hmm.
That little error.
Yeah. Yep.
I've been busy with working on an elephant, and we're doing a felt along in the academy on Facebook, and it's been kind of fun. We share pictures with each, where we're at, and I've been doing Facebook Lives, talking and ask, if they have questions, I'll answer them there. So, and I've been reading a book called The Elephant Whisperer that is pretty exciting. I've been really enjoying it.
Going along with your whole elephant felt.
It really is. Mm-hmm. Yeah, I never knew how naughty elephants can be or how smart they are until this book. Yeah,
they're so cool.
They're amazing. Very amazing. So it's kind of fun to listen to that book and needle felt an elephant together. So yeah, that's what I've been busy with. And
awesome.
I was going to bring it, but it's like legs were just attached and it's looking kind of floppy and wasn't much to see.
Maybe next week. Okay, perfect. Oh, here we go. I have an elephant started that will be completed if I can make it to the felt along. Yay! Could you explain the basics of the different gauges and shapes of felting needles?
There's many different sizes of felting needles and the shapes on the ends. So like there's star, there's triangle, there's swirled, and then there's, and that all is where the little barbs are placed on the needle, and the different sizes. So like the 40 or is something for a finer wool like merino. What I use is a star 36. That's my favorite. I actually haven't tried that many other. I did to begin with, and this was the one that worked the best. So star 36 is what I use with my Romney wool. And I use 38s in my multi-tool, which is in there, and I like star better than triangle. It seems to pull in more of the wool than the triangle, just because there's more of the barbs and they're more interspersed. It seems to just pull it in better. But I mean, to try, you'd have to try them all and just see what you like, and that all depends on the kind of wool that you're using. So I would just suggest trying as many as you want to. And
do you use a reverse barb?
I have, yeah. Mm-hmm. For some things that I like to do, I use a reverse one.
And what is that for?
I use it for blending. So
really?
So if I want a little gray showing, I'll have gray underneath and then put white over it. And if I want to make a shady, I'll pull with the reverse needle, I'll pull out the gray into the white.
Oh, I thought that was like an eraser.
Oh.
For needle felting. Like I don't like that color, and you pull it out.
Oh, I wish it
No.
would work that way, but no.
Oh, interesting.
Yeah, if you poke something in there, it's really hard to get it out. You have to pretty much cover it. There's there's no eraser. But
Gotcha. Well, now I've learned.
yeah.
Cool. I want to say I'm so impressed with what you have been doing with the schoolhouse and the rest of the business. I hope to come one day for a fun class. We hope you do too.
Yes.
Thank you. I'm so happy for you that you got the grant. Wonderful news. Sounds like everything is moving along so well with the school too. I am wondering if you are still going to be making rooms for people to stay in, like a B&B. You had mentioned that when you first thought about renovations, and I thought it was very cool. I still hope it's in the phase. Yes, it's actually very much so in the phase, and it's even bigger. We have more rooms planned, so we can't call ourselves a B&B. We're going to be an inn, so which is good. They'll be beautifully appointed guest rooms with their own bathroom. And some will be doubles, some will be singles. They'll all have, a little mini fridge and fine linens and all of that. You'll be spoiled. You won't want to leave.
And we're also there's a bigger room that we can possibly put like bunks and whatnot if there was a large group or
to accommodate more folks.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And we're still figuring some of that out, but
definitely there will be.
Yeah, there will be definitely places to stay and food on site.
Yes. So. Exactly. Yay. Great news about the grant money. Hopefully the first of many grants you receive. Amen to that. Amen to that. Yes. Yay on your grant. With all you both are going on, do you find time to sleep? Yeah, that's kind of a problem. And when we do sleep, our minds are so busy. We both have trouble sleeping. It's yeah, it is what it is though. But yeah, I'm glad you have lots of help. Are you going to offer classes in other areas besides textiles, such as watercolors, leather crafts, etc.? Yes. There's even someone in Nome that does leather work that has contacted us to do classes on leather work.
We're open to all sorts of classes,
pottery and woodworking, whittling, all that.
As long as we can find teachers to do it.
Yes, yep, absolutely. Yeah. Hi, really enjoyed your weekly videos. Think the felting along with you is a great idea. Didn't realize it had started, though, as not on Facebook. As being in England, it's confusing with time difference. That's cool. I think it would be good if you did others in the future. Thank you, Sarah. I agree.
Yeah, it's been fun. I've been really enjoying it. Just to have people felting with you, felting the same animal, and it motivates you to continue working. So
Congrats on your grant. Good luck with future fundraising. Can't wait to attend workshops in the schoolhouse. I retired last year. Hike the Appalachian Trail. Wow. Developed a new addiction hobby of hand spinning. Love your products also.
We love hand spinning.
Yes, it is. It's therapeutic.
Yeah.
Love it. Love it.
I reserve hand spinning to Sundays. Because it's fun. And it's different than what I normally do. So.
Yeah, and I do it once a year at the Hand Spinners Convention. It's so sad. Hello, always enjoyed your video updates. So sorry you had to deal with a person on Etsy about the treatment of sheep. They obviously know very little about sheep. True that. Your business is the wool, and the better care the sheep get, the better the wool. Your products are high quality. That person not to experience the beauty of wool is the loser. Stay strong. Thank you for that encouragement. That is awesome. Yeah. I mean, and we wish we could bring that person and show them
in case you didn't watch the last episode, we shared, I got an email, and I've gotten many of these over the years, but where she said that I was killing the sheep to get the wool, very, very confused as to how it really happens, and that's not how it really happens. So
yeah, very sad.
But yeah, she wasn't going to buy wool and wanted me to stop, and yeah. Okay, so for a winner, every time we draw from one of the people that commented on the video. So next time, if you have a question, you just put it below this video and we'll answer it next week. 8.
Kim! Congratulations, Kim!
Yes, so you will
contact us, and we promise we'll get it this time.
Yes, we will. We will send out your prize if you just contact us through the contact form on Bear Creek Felting or Nome Schoolhouse, and you just give us your address. Say you were the winner. It might be helpful if you. But we found this out this last time because now we don't know which episode it was from or what they won because it went a couple weeks. But if you say which episode that you're the winner on and what you won, that would be helpful.
Which would be episode 29.
That would be helpful.
Yes. Yeah.
So thank you. Thanks for watching.
Yep. Thanks for joining us. Bye.